JCPS says its early childhood program now has no start date after it was first postponed because of busing issues. The district let parents know yesterday that it's working to find a resolution to those transportation problems and a date on when students can start school. Before their first day, the district postponed the start of its early childhood education programs because it needed some extra time to get things worked out. JCPS says it is still working with 4C, Community Coordinated Childcare, to provide parents with available daycares until school can start. In the meantime, the district said its early childhood teachers are working and being paid. They're doing mandatory training that usually occurs throughout the year and are making some required home visits. They're also holding open houses for families to visit their child's program.